I'm going to make an oil with doTERRA, but I've been using rosehip oil, and I've gotten great results with that, just using it on my skin. But last night, I left my makeup on and I woke up with my eyes weeping this morning. So no more of that. Okay. This is the one I have right now, and I'm ordering one for my body because I've gotten such great results. Ever since I can remember, I've gone to naturopaths, and more than one has reminded me that I have a slow lymph issue, and to do things like bounce on a ball or one of those mini trampolines, which I never get to do. That this it doesn't just work for toning. If you do it very lightly also, it works too. So you have spots here, here, behind your ear, and when you're draining your limbs, they remind me you should first open up this area. And when you're doing lymphs, you do it very light. So you have here and here. Muscle tone, I do it deeper. And I've gotten amazing results already. I should have documented right from the beginning. So I'm definitely going to be doing my arms and my legs, and at some point I will try to document that. Lightly under the eyes, lots of oil. And I've even been doing this, and I thought I would never be able to tone up the skin and muscles over the eye, although I do try to use some face yoga, and I'll try to document that, but I'm not faithful with it, and I'm working on that. This has yielded such great results that it's easy to be very faithful with it. And I don't pretend to be this great Gua Sha person. I am just starting. Just trying to follow what I've learned so far about it. I've read online, like, I don't think it was even a dozen passes, which I do a lot more of. And it did get sore, like when you work out. So I had to skip a day. Like when you do face yoga and you do this, it gets sore. And I'll do more research so that I can get better ideas of the teaching behind it. I know that, like this neck, I always carry all this tension back here. So doing it on the neck is just amazing for releasing that tension, especially this thing. Now, I have seen people say only go up, and I have seen people say only go down. When it comes to limbs, I know that you're supposed to drain towards the heart on the upper body, so you go down, and on the legs and arms, you go up towards the heart. Everything goes towards the heart. Now, I'm part German, both sides of my parents, and I've got the jowls. And I've been trying everything with them. Again, this one had gotten really puffy and it's already going down. So this, if you follow Charlene, she's slowly made this nice definition in her jaw. This is what has been helping me slowly get there. And I've only been doing it about a week. My skin texture has improved. My tone has improved. My jawline has already improved. So I will try to take you along for the journey. See what happens in a month, 2 months, 6 months. Have a great day.